So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a very, very special guest with us today. We have the angel coach Sulagna with us, and we have Syed Md Chistie. He's 50 years and he's from Guwahati. He's into government services. और मुझे बताया गया था the health issues that has been reversed, acidity, gas, bloating from 15 years, which is 100% gone, and medicine he was taking was Digene, Pan 40, and Cramozyme. He was continuing from 15 years. After 15 days, things got reversed. यानी 15 दिनों में प्रॉब्लम चली गई थी. Mild anxiety from 3 years, 100% reversed. He was not taking medicine for anxiety, but there's a lot of anxiety. Fatty liver, grade 2 from 10 years, 100% reversed. Medicine he was taking was liver tonic. He was taking, stopped within 15 days. High BP from 15 years. And BP was more than 140/90. वैसे मैं 140/90 को normal मानता हूँ, but again, medicine he was taking was Repace AF. Now BP has been normal, is between like 120-85. During last 2 months, 100% medicine is gone in the first 15 days. Back pain for 10 years, now improved a lot. He says pain is gone 85%. Medicine he was taking was ibuprofen, Advimortin, Naproxen, LV. Medicine stopped within 15 days. Slip disc problem he was having L4, L5, existing from 9 years. Numbness in feet and legs was severe, felt after walking beyond 600 meters at a stretch since 3 years, improved drastically and now can walk with ease more than 1 kilometer. Medicine he was taking was Duloxetine, which is completely gone. Skin problem, warts 3 years, 80% improved he says, 80% मस्त से जा चुके हैं. And medicine he was taking was Thuja ointment, gone, medicine gone. Low vitamin D3, he was taking vitamin D3 के 4000 international units की supplements gone. Hair fall 3 years gone, normal. Numbness and nerves disorder 9 years, he says 80% numbness is gone. He was taking vitamin tablets, thiamine, pyridoxine, cobalamin, whatever it is. Poor digestion 10 years. Medicine was Cramozyme gone. Leg cramps gone. Medicine was Dr. Ortho oil. बाप रे बाप कितनी मेडिसिन है सर, कमाल कर दिया आपने. But all has been reversed. Miraculous, Sulagna. Well done. Overweight from 20 years, he just lost 15 kgs, lot of inch loss. So amazing. It's like, this big list written, so amazing. So let's come to Syed Chistie ji. So over to you, sir. आपका कैसा ये जर्नी रहा, आपकी जुबानी जानना चाहेंगे.
Good evening, Vishal sir, and my coach Sulagna. Actually, I also was not feeling good taking the medicines over a period because I know the side effects. And then one fine day I got to know about you, about your plans and all. So that encouraged me. I have attended a webinar that encouraged me to go in for the silver membership. Your 2 days high workshop was very much beneficial to me. And in the meantime, there was a golden pro membership. I took that membership. And from you, sir, I'm very much thankful. You give me a very good coach, Sulagna ma'am. And things were there, challenges were with me. I was working in the government department. I was always busy. To follow the diet also was a bit troublesome for me because of my busyness, sir. But still, Sulagna ma'am gave me the back support that I required. And she would always advise me, guide me. She was like a philosopher guide in the whole journey, which motivated me to do. Since she has been traveling also preparing my diet and all, I thought why not to follow her. And in between the office hours also, I took the diet thing with me. So right. This helped me a lot. Amazing. And the reversal process was okay. I'm very much thankful to you and your natural therapies that have been going on. I followed most of the therapies and the diet was very, very much, I felt good after 15 days. I felt something is there. So I continued with the therapies, the diet. And over a period of time, because of Sulagna madam continuously used to take my problems. Like, what problem are you in? How do you solve that? She changed the diet a bit when there was a problem. So that reversed my thing. And now I can proudly say I am very well. I am fit. I don't feel lazy anymore. I don't feel heaviness anymore. I was very, with the trouble. Everything was troubling me because my mind was not working with the diseases.
Right.
Now everything is in a flow.
Yes.
That I want to thank both of you from my heart. Thank you. Sir.
Thank you so much. Everybody just type MPTY for Syed. Let's come to Sulagna. Sulagna, if you can just unmute yourself, how has been your journey? Yeah.
Yeah. Hi everyone. Thank you, Vishal, for giving me this opportunity to work with Shed. And thank you, Shed, for finding out some time from your busy schedule and to join this Hall of Fame interview and say a few words. So thank you for that. And so about me, I am a health coach with Go Nature, and I'm working with Vishal since last 5 years. And as Vishal rightly said that the health challenges that Shahid was facing earlier, and now it has been completely reversed in just 15 days, I would say. And his plan is still remaining.
अच्छा, अभी complete नहीं हुआ है?
नहीं, complete नहीं हुआ.
Very nice.
Yeah. So the best thing about him is his strong determination and his willpower to do anything, which helps him to get motivated to work even in adverse situation. He has been very active throughout his entire health journey. So that is really good about him. And he has been the nature of his work is like sedentary lifestyle, and his is a 9 to 6 job. So he used to spend almost like 8 to 10 hours a day.
Office like.
Yeah. So but though it's a very hectic lifestyle for him, but still he was able to follow the diet 100%. And also like whatever diet plans and the therapies I was suggesting, he was following everything.
That's beautiful.
He was following, and in every follow-up calls, whenever I see improvements, I feel really happy. I mean, just 14 days, I asked him, he said, ma'am, it's like miracle and everything is, I feel so energetic and I'm so happy about it. And so this is what he was saying. And like another, like few challenges we faced when I was working with him. He was having this slip disc problem of L4 and L5 since 9 years. And he was having numbness in his feet and legs. So whenever he was walking beyond 600, it was causing pain. It was
600
severe,
meters? Okay.
600 meters, yes, okay. Yes. And then after following the diet, drastically it has improved.
Okay.
And now he is able to walk more than 1 kilometer easily without having any problem.
Wow, beautiful.
Yeah. So, so everything, all the medicines we tapered and stopped just in 15 days. And beautiful. As the plan is still active, so whatever minor issues are there, will be we are working towards that, and we will be also targeting to achieve like 100%. Though beautiful. Most of them you can see it's 100% reversed, but few minor things like numbness is still there. It's a work in progress, and we are working towards it, and we'll be achieving. I'm very sure we'll be achieving this by the end of his plan. So thank you, Chad. Thank you so much.
Amazing.
For having trust in naturopathy and having trust with Go Nature and believing our process. And before ending this call, I would like to give a message to the entire audience. So, the journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. So you start with a single step, and we are here to help you out with your entire life journey. Health journey. So that's what I wanted to share. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, Vishal, and thank you. Share.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sulagna. Thank you so much, Syed. Everybody just type MPTY for both of them. I'm coming here and sharing the experience.